We have a complaint that our valves with the ID number NP3/15S, they're probably leaking, and which is most likely not the valve what was leaking. So here is the valve what we produce here, and then we put pressure on, and as you see, this is tight, right? So most likely is, if you disassemble the instrument and redisassemble the valve, use this grease, put here inside a little grease, put the valve in, little grease here, just a little, not much. Put it together. So now the valve is tight. We check the valve if it's leaking or not. First, like this. You hear? In this direction, it's open it, and in this direction, it's a vacuum. So the valve is now not leaking anymore if you use the grease, like I showed you. So you should not have any more problems with that. I hope this helps. Hope to hear from you. Thank you.